Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change and edit your favicon in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com, if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So this is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So log into your account where your websites are, and after that, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here, under which you can find all the websites you can access. So here you have your websites that you own. What you want to do is open up the website that you want to change the favicon for. So I'm going to open up my website right here. That's going to open it up in a new tab. As you can see right here, now I can see all the options I can access right here at the left side screen, such as my website, products, invoicing, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to change our favicon in for our website. So the first thing you want to do is click the search option right here at the top of the screen. Click on search, and now this is going to open up this search section where you can search whatever we need to find. So what you're going to do is type favicon. So this is now going to give us this result where we can go ahead and adjust your site's favicon. So you can go ahead and click on this, and this is now going to open up our website settings where we can get started with adding and choosing what we want to use. So here you have the plus button. You can get started with uploading a file or selecting from the library the image that you want to use for your favicon, and after adding it guys, you'll be able to add it right here to your website. After that, it's going to appear right here and everybody will be able to see it. But yeah guys, that's all that you have to do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.